Hello, so this is my video for the do-it-yourself sugar waxing. I already did it. I'm just filming the beginning and the end after I did it. So what you need is you're gonna need a quarter cup of lemon juice, a quarter cup of water, a pot to boil this in, and 2 cups of sugar. So you mix that all together, you get a whisk, and you stir it for 7 minutes. Um, So it has to boil for 7 minutes. And then after that, what I did was I heated water up in the mason jar that I put it in, and I put that in the microwave. I heated the water up, took the water out with some oven mitts. I dumped the water down the drain so the jar was hot. So when you pour your wax in, the jar doesn't explode. So you just pour that in and then you let it sit. So I let mine sit for about an hour and a half before I used it. And then after that, you kind of grab like a knife or a spatula or anything really, the popsicle stick, I don't know, anything that you want to use to put it on your skin. You put it on your skin and then you grab a piece of fabric and you put it over top of it, and you want to rip it off in the direction that your skin, or not your skin, your hair grows. So then you just rip it off, and that is how you do it. And then I will have the full video right after this. Have fun. Okay, so this is my review on the sugar waxing. This is the first time that I did it, and I did not enjoy it. So I had to wait like a good hour and a half. I had to take a bath before I could sit down and do this review. And honestly, I don't know if I would do it again. I have a jar full of it to use if I need to, but I did not enjoy that at all. Like the first time I ripped it, which I don't think I got that on camera. The first time I ripped it off, it didn't take like any hair off, and I was like, what am I doing wrong? So I like went back, I looked it up and everything, and I was like ripping it the wrong way. So then I tried it again and it was so painful. And then not to mention that the hair that it like that did come out with it left like giant red like dots on my leg, and I did have aloe vera to throw on my leg right after. You're supposed to do that after you use the sugar wax because it'll irritate your skin, right? I didn't end up using the aloe vera because I just gave up after that. So my honest review about sugar waxing is I might try it again. I might. Depends how badly I want to. I think it's just easier to shave your legs, or shave any other part of your body that you want to be clean. So I don't think that I would do it again, but you never know. I think it is really good for an at-home thing to do. I think to like instead of going and paying all that money to go and get waxed, I don't think it's worth it when you can just do this, because it was way better than that. But and apparently lots of people say it's less painful. I wouldn't really know just from what I've heard from my friends. But yeah, that's my review on it. So I have the whole video that you watched up until this point on how to make it, how long to leave it. It should be a thick substance before you put it on your skin to rip hair off. And yeah, it was a fun experience that I don't think I'll be doing again, but who knows? Bye.